Hey guys, welcome back to Hello's Garage. So today, old people in the neighborhood, drive motherfuckers slow. Alright, so today we're gonna go ahead and just take these guys off and swap them off with my E36 because don't really, I'm not gonna use this car anytime soon. But these are bigger rims and they'll probably hold the power down better than those little 15s over there, and it look better. So I'm gonna swap those out, and then on top of that, I got these guys. So what I'm guessing, because I don't remember my rear ones being that small, so I have built things with lowering springs in the front and in the rear, but the rear ones, to me, from what I remember, were longer than this. So I'm hoping these will let it squat a little bit lower. So I'm gonna check the size, and if these are smaller, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. So we're gonna do that all in one. Call it a day. What the hell happened to going to that side? Alright, so I'm about to take off the tire right now. So it does turn out that these are smaller than the ones I have in there, and these are lowering springs also. These are, I think I counted 6 or 7, and these are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. These are 4 right here. I can put the adjusties on. I have adjustables for it. Yeah.
Yeah, throw them on, so let's see what happens.
What, the adjusties?
No, those.
Okay.
Yeah, just the spring by itself.
Alright, cool.
Slammies. The eyelid was like scratched off. Yeah, I parked the car at ATB and then I came back and then
It was like that?
Yeah, all that shit was gone. I had video of it before. Oh no, it got deleted. Shit. I had video of it.
They're wider though.
Going to HEB, it was all there. They took this, they took that. This was almost off on this side, like all the way. And then this is all like scratched. And then the emblem, one of the purple emblem things looks like it was scratched real hard and then ripped off. Probably just scooted past them. Like, man, I can't catch up. Oh no. I'm gonna get a light.
Julio's camera light.
That's fine. We can show on double videos how that wrap is, boy. Where's the clamps that hold all the wrap together? That's weird. Oh, there's none. Oh, hiding. Okay, I see. Weird flex, but okay. But right now it's only on 8 psi, and it's ripping how it is. You fucking idiot! What? He left all his fingerprints, bro. Look, all his fingerprints.
Right there.
No. Look at the camera.
Jesus. What'd you do?
He grabbed them. Yo. Dude, look at his
trauma patient.
Look at his fingerprint. This is his thumb right here.
Look in the camera.
Oh my! Look, you can see your fingers.
I thought Brandon was gonna grab it. I was like, Brandon's not that dumb.
And look right here. That's your thumb. Look, I know your thumb hurting.
How you gonna play Fortnite now?
I know.
Just put it right here.
I'm the cameraman, so I don't gotta do anything. A little bit more. There you go.
Look at the difference, my guys.
Is that stock?
Damn.
No, these are lowering springs too.
See, imagine.
And these are even lower.
Yeah, this is where they're sitting right now. I did put the adjustables in.
I wasn't really here for this video, but I came and I installed all the Bilsteins for him. No, I'm just playing. No, it looks good. It's a little bit low, but with the weight of the car, it's gonna be fine. We're just gonna go ahead and send it. It was made for an E36 anyway, so why would they make it? Whatever, we'll see. If it falls out, that's our dumb mistake. I was having diff problems, and I thought I kept snapping this bolt up here, but when I checked, it ends up being, it was just loose. So, yeah, he's gonna throw the wheel on and we're gonna slam it. Their background conversations are gonna be so weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut a lot of it.
That's all they do is talk. We put the lowering, well, Julio put the lowering springs on. I was doing my car, figuring that out. But, he's got the last lug nut now. Then we got to get rid of your lip there.
Go on the other side.
It's the same thing. No, I got enough over here. Probably too much. Wait, did you lower it?
Yeah.
Jump on it.
Oh crap.
Keep going. Jump. I don't even think you're gonna rub nothing. What do you want to go with? Keep jumping? Bro, you're fucking mint. Hold on, let me see if I can get the camera in there. Oh, I can. Go ahead. Jump.
Oh, God.
Bro, you're not even touching.
The lower, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, like that.
Well, look, listen. No, you're good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at these wheels, these jank ass bottle caps. And these are the, yeah, that's the difference. Damn, I gotta get me some of these. They're growing on me. Deal with them weird flex low boys. Flexing on 16s. 16 stockies. We gotta get some, comment below if we gotta get some spacers. Julio said he doesn't want to, but I said we need some spacers, man. Look at this gap. Disgusting. This bottle cap looks disgusting. Oh, I insulted it. First thing I did was slam it down.
a drift car, remember?
Oh yeah, bought a drift car.
Said it was a drift car when we bought it.
I'm gonna send you pictures. Put it in this video. And put drift car next to it. It's gonna be somewhere on there. He said I bought it. He made a drift car. I should send him pictures of my car, huh?
He should be like, man,
I don't remember if I had my iPhone.
best drift car ever bought.
See that? I think that lollipop's bad. But it's okay because you're about to have Polly Lolly.
Probably from when I was freaking
And we didn't even tell the
Overseas.
fans.
Oh yeah.
Look at that hard work, dedication, and sweat. No, we didn't even tell anybody. Okay, so E46 has coilovers in the front only for some odd
They don't
reason.
even know I bought the 46. I just said that there was a slong monster going around drawing slongs.
Oh, snap. You're the slong monster, by the way.
Slong monster.
He's the one drawing dicks everywhere. Dang, man, this thing has no love. None.
It has none.
Nobody loves this thing.
I loved it when I bought it and just left it.
It got a good 13 hours of love. Like,
really
of
did.
thought, not even like physical love. It was just thinking, like, we love it. It's out front. It was clean. It was like, it's the E46. It was kind of banged up. Like, it's got a few dents here and there.
It's
The headlights are like taped, but it was like what, $500 something dollars?
$500.
$500. And this is how it came. Like, it's got front coilovers, camber plates. The interior, I think, is mint. It's soft top, which is clean. The soft top doesn't work. I think if we cleaned it, like, this could be a clean interior. It's automatic. That's why I just have no interest in it. But
It's a 323.
oh, 323, which isn't that big of a deal.
2.5.
Honestly. Yeah, it's a 2.5. I mean, I don't think it's that bad. But we had too many projects, so So what I was talking about with the coilovers is, see, this one has camber plates up top, and it has, what are they called? Max speeding rods. That's what they are. Yeah. So Teo told us that the coilovers weren't gonna fit because of the bottom where the
whole spindle and everything together.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna end up doing. So we're gonna take the whole spindle, the whole lower control arm, and the coilover. And with the lower control arm from the E46 to the E36, you need an extra bushing, which is on the it's called a lollipop, which is on the back. I'll go show you on Julio's truck. Yeah. And then lower control arm bushing. So you need to have an adaptive one. I have one because I bought a poly kit for my car, but I haven't used it. So we're just gonna convert the entire front end of this suspension and put it on Julio's car so that he'll be lower and he'll have more angle. Boom.
A lot more angle.
Then you're gonna be a drift boy. Oh yeah, but let's keep it up to date in this video because I updated it on my video, but Charlie's axle's hanging down.
Because I didn't tighten it.
He didn't tighten the bolts. My diff bolt was banging really hard, and I thought I snapped the diff bolt. Looked at it, and I didn't tighten the diff bolt. So, so we just don't tighten things around here. I kept blowing MAFs, kept breaking them, and couldn't figure out why. We hooked up a boost gauge. Well, when it blew off, I was hitting 16 PSI. Well, I was trying to hit 10 PSI. So there was my problem. So we're now on, we deleted the boost gauge, the boost controller, and we're running straight wastegate. So turbo straight to wastegate. So it's on like, I think the spring is 8 PSI. So we're on about 8 PSI, over boost sometimes to about 10. So, yeah, it rips.
So guys, we're done with this. She is dumped in the back a little bit more than usual. The only reason why this front one looks ugly is because this tire tread is a little bit bigger. It's like 55, the rear is 50, so it looks kind of a fat little wheel. But the rear looks really nice, man.
I think it looks better. I mean, it's not, slammed enough status or something. Or like, what is that, Stance Nation? But we're definitely a lot better.
And I can take off the little adjusties and go a little bit lower.
Bro, tell this man, get in on your gap. Tell this man's we need spacers.
No, we don't need
look
spacers.
Up there. Tell your man's he needs, look at this.
We need more low.
My whole hand fits in there.
Oh, come on, don't do me
What
like
does
that.
credit card fit me? He doesn't even know it. Look at this. My entire, he's trying to work on his car while it's on the floor, that's why. Oh my god.
Oh no.
And we need to pull the tabs. Look at how, see how this stretches, like, see the distance? I can't do it no more. We need to tow it out more. It's too much straight in. But that's what happens when you go lower.
I got you beat.
Nice.
The Byrons.
17s, which
17s,
I need.
And stockies.
And stockies, man.
Yeah. No, but you guys are gonna see the Mach 2 of the stockies. So, my girl had an example. Ooh, look at that spider right there by your feet.
My feet?
You might hit your hand right here.
I see him. Can I flick him?
Wait, don't flick him.
He's in there.
Get off my rim, fam. Ooh. Oh! All Team Bash is basically, you get your whole crew, a bunch of crews together, and you see, you compete in a couple of competitions and see who has the best crew, has the biggest crew and everything. So, we're
not doing
going
that this
as,
year,
like, yeah, not as a crew. Really, we're just going just to go, just meet the senior people.
Really nice, honestly.
Yeah, it's real fun. So that's gonna wrap up this video, fixing my car.
Yeah.
And then this has got a slam boy. So until next time, you got anything to say?
Nope. Really, just gonna change out the tires and see. Probably gonna cut the springs. If not, then we'll just do that.
We'll do a coilover thing,
Yeah,
probably.
we'll do a coilover thing most likely, so I can get that angle. But
What? Till next time.
Bye.